What's up, guys? I hope you're having a fantastic end of the week. It's been such an eventful one where we have witnessed some major leaps in the crypto market and in the regulation phase. And that's not the end of it. In today's video, we have more crucial things that we need to discuss in regards to the crypto market. I know most of you have been experiencing a lot of anxiety in regards to where the crypto market is heading. But now is the time to bury all this anxiety in a box and throw away the keys. Now, why do I say this? Because now is not the time to exude anxiety, but to show some confidence in the market. This is what we need right now if we have any chance of getting all the way to the finish line. Now, believe it or not, we are in a state we've never been in before, and this is our opportunity to change our lives. We are currently in the middle of one of the biggest financial crises in history. Everyone would expect us to be in panic mode, but instead, we are getting annihilated this time around and running off like bandits. Believe it or not, we're going to be the world's 1% when this is over. But the reason why we can't get too excited about this yet is because before we get to the prize, there's definitely going to be a lot of suffering for everyday people. By the way, guys, don't forget to join in our giveaway. We're going to be giving away $2,000 worth of XRP directly to your wallet as a thank you for helping us grow. You can check it all out in the comment section below. Find out the requirements. Winner is going to be announced on February 1st right here on Money Side. With that said, time now to roll that intro and get into all the juicy details of today's video. As always, we welcome you back to Money Side, your favorite crypto news channel. If you're new here, welcome to the XRP Army. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our daily crypto news updates. Now, getting back into today's video, you all must understand that despite what's going on in the market right now, the bullish momentum in crypto is going to return. It's just a matter of time, and this bearish fear is going to leave and make room for greater things in the coming months. To kick us off in today's video, here's this chart I want to show all of you. Today, you will be able to pinpoint exactly where we are as far as the crypto market cycle is concerned. This is especially in regards to the human emotions. For the most part, a majority of the crypto traders are experiencing optimism and anxiety as they have not been able to pinpoint the direction of the market. Most people right now are saying that the Bitcoin era is done. But what can I guarantee all of you that is the alt season is not even close to being done. We have so many altcoins that have not yet even bloomed to their fullest potential. I know you might be wondering which cryptos are these, but here we are talking about coins like XRP, whose potential is still largely untapped. Don't claim we never told you. Bet as much money as you can on XRP. But in general, cryptos that have been corrected 70 to 75% from their previous all-time highs are absolute buys. That's the case, especially if the cryptos in question come with strong fundamentals to back them up. I mean, just look at the current price of XRP. Then compare that to the magnitude of partnerships there have been so far. I wouldn't be wrong to say that we XRP holders are blessed a lot. We have the ultimate money-making opportunity right before our eyes. The SEC lawsuit has nothing on us. The only wise thing right now is to accumulate as many XRP tokens as possible because when all is said and done, we will usher in the next lot of millionaires and billionaires. So what do you say? We grab that bag because XRP won't be this affordable forever. Now moving on to the next most important part of today's video. We are at the blink of the fourth industrial revolution and the onset of a new financial system. We're going to witness the adoption of this new financial system and the adoption of this new technology. The World Economic Forum confirms that they are bringing the internet to the entire planet. This right here might be the key to taking away the poverty of the entire world. In the Wall Street Journal, it points to an article which talks about the Fed minutes which point to a possible rate increase come March. Several officials said last month that higher inflation pressures could force the Fed to raise rates before the employment goal had been met, and some officials thought it had already been met, according to the minutes. And as per the speculation, we could witness a massive market correction in March 2022. While we can't be too sure, our speculations are not completely unfounded. They will try to raise interest rates and possibly will be hit hard by a bad reaction. A couple of banks have come forward and claimed that they would raise their interest rates by at least 4 to 6 times in 2022. But if you ask me, I will tell you these are are just some of the headlines that are put out there in an effort to try and manipulate the market. We have seen them do this before, so it would be naive of us to just take their word at it for face value. With that said, what we should as investors do, the best action is to be prepared for every scenario. At some point, the stock market will collapse, most probably between March and April. But before that happens, we will get an aggressive altcoin season where we will be able to take profits. Shortly after, we will witness the monstrosity of a 70% crash in the crypto markets. With that said, it is upon all of us to set base and be ready for what awaits us in the near future. Now, time to take a look at the numbers on the charts. We begin with XRP. Now, this is the time and the place where most investors make mistakes and markets sell in fears of their favorite digital asset dropping even lower. After all, if it dropped 50% plus, it surely must drop another 50%. So why not sell and buy in lower? Extreme fear is here again. Hold on for dear life strong. HODL strong, guys. The SEC case will be resolved sooner or later. Will you hold on strong? Remember, to make wealth, you have to be patient. It's a really boring process. This is why only those investors who have iron patience and have been in this market for many years will persevere at the end of the journey. Turning now to Bitcoin. After the false break of 42.5 short-term resistance, Bitcoin dropped hard, and at the moment of writing is trading at 36,000 with a more than 15% drop in 48 hours. Although the overall trend is grossly bearish, short sellers should be very careful to an aggressive short covering rebound. I expect extreme volatility for the crypto market, and I will try to speculate on this possible rebound. 32,000 down to 25,000 old congestion zone can be a good zone to look for a reversal. $38,500 to $39,000 zone is now resistance and extends slightly above 40,000. As always, we remind you to do your own research and always trade safely, guys. Please keep in mind we're not a licensed financial advisor. All videos on this channel are intended for entertainment purposes only. Tell us what you think in the comment section below and let's have a conversation. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and please click on that subscribe button. Turn on notifications too so you get updates whenever we post new videos. Thanks again, and we will see you on the next Money Side.